Oh! Ah! Hell, you almost had one. Try it again. Oh, oh. Slow down. Something was big. Paper Chase said. Yes!
I think we have all had fishing trips where the longer you are out there, the better it gets. Today was one of those days. I started the day out with nothing but tadpoles beneath my feet and empty casts, and it ended with a really nice smallmouth. Stick around to see the best fish I caught of the day at the end of the video.
Putting a couple things in here for right.
Look at this little fucking guy. Yeah, that's what they are. That must be what's over there.
Shiners? Where's all the rock at?
I don't know. Right before the top off.
That one?
It's another one, but slightly.
Oh! Oh! Ah! Hell, you almost had one. Try it again. I need more. Oh! Oh! Is that a rock bass?
This
Man. Fishy? Oh! That's a bass.
is rock back. Alright, be free. Reel it a little bit.
Reel it in.
Well, just a little. Like half of that, more. Okay?
Hold.
Hold that. Open this.
And then eat it.
Yeah, Test it. Close that and reel. Yeah. Do you feel it vibrating?
That feels weird.
Yeah, it should. I think you're hung in a tree, honey.
You want to stop it? Sure. Funny.
Okay. Thanks. That was an experience. Pick it up. God. Woman.
And he told our friends to guess who caught the bigger one. Ugh. That'd be something. Oh! Slow down. Something was big. Big was Trey said. Yeah.
There it is.
Yes! Oh! He mad. Can you get him up?
Hang on.
What do you need me to do? There we go. Got him? Dang, Ricky.